Booking a paratransit ride? Try the brand new RIPTA RIDE MTM Go App, designed to make your travel experience more convenient than ever before. To begin, you must first be eligible to use the RIDE program. If you haven't started the application process, please call RIDE customer service for assistance. Once your application is approved, you will be able to create a RIDE app account. Download and open the app, tap Get Started, and sign into your account. Don't have one? Tap Sign Up, and enter your name, date of birth, and email address. Remember, this must exactly match the information that the RIDE program has on file for you. Next, tap Find Me, and if all the information is correct, you will see a registration successful message. Tap Confirm and Verify Email. A verification email will be sent to your email address. Open this email and select Confirm Your Email. Enter the password you'd like to use for your account and tap Save to continue. Your RIDE app account has been created and you're now ready to log in. Tap OK to return to the login screen, then enter your new credentials and tap Login. Our app gives you the flexibility to request your paratransit trips in advance, right from your phone. With at least 2 days' notice, you can book a trip up to 2 weeks ahead of time. Here's how it works. Start by tapping New Ride on the bottom of the app. Choose your trip date on the calendar and tap Continue. Select ADA within trip purpose. Select your pickup or drop-off time. Select your mobility type. Select your pickup and drop-off locations and then tap Continue. Remember, only locations you've previously booked by calling RIDE customer service can be selected. If you want to travel to a new location, you must call RIDE customer service to book an initial trip. Select whether you need a return trip or not. If so, tap Yes and fill out the details. You can even add an attendant or guest to your trip. Tap Yes when prompted with the question, "Is anyone riding with you?" Then fill out the details. Review your trip and tap Submit to confirm your trip request. Remember, your trip request is pending until approved by RIDE staff. You'll receive a notification when your trip is confirmed. Stay in the know by setting up text or voice alerts to receive a notification when your driver is en route. The app will let you know whether a RIDE van or a taxi is picking you up. Plans changed? No problem. Cancel your trip directly through the app by selecting the trip you want to cancel and following the steps on screen. Have a question? Call our RIDE customer service team at 401-461-9760, Monday through Saturday, 8:30 a.m. through 4:30 p.m. Ready to request your paratransit trip? Download the new RIPTA RIDE MTM Go app, available in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. For more information, visit ripta.com/RIPTA RIDE app. We look forward to seeing you on board.